Traveling with a baby, or traveling without your baby while pumping, can feel overwhelming. Between keeping milk safe, packing pump parts, and getting through airport security, there's a lot to think about. The good news is that with a little planning, you can protect your milk supply and travel confidently. Welcome to Pump with Isabella. In this guide, you learn exactly how to travel with breast milk and pumping equipment, whether you're driving across town or flying across the country. Breast milk is considered a medically necessary liquid in many countries, including the United States. This means you can usually carry amounts greater than the standard liquid limits when flying. Let airport security officers know that you are traveling with breast milk before screening begins. Frozen, refrigerated, and freshly expressed milk are generally allowed, although screening procedures may vary depending on local regulations. Check the rules of your airline and your destination before you travel. Pack your pump in your carry-on bag instead of checked luggage whenever possible. Delayed or lost baggage shouldn't leave you without your pumping equipment. Bring your electric pump, manual backup pump, charging cable, batteries if needed, properly fitted flanges, bottles or milk collection bags, storage lids, cleaning wipes designed for pump parts, a small bottle brush, and a few extra storage bags in case you pump more than expected. Keeping milk at a safe temperature is one of the biggest concerns while traveling. An insulated cooler with frozen ice packs can keep freshly expressed milk cold for many hours. If you're on a long journey, refresh your ice packs whenever possible or transfer milk to a refrigerator upon arrival. Frozen milk should remain frozen if packed tightly with frozen gel packs. Even if some milk partially thaws but still contains ice crystals, it can usually be safely refrozen according to many storage guidelines. If you're taking a road trip, plan pumping breaks every 2 to 4 hours, just as you would at home. Regular milk removal helps maintain your supply and reduces your risk of engorgement or plugged ducts. Never try to pump while driving. Pull over safely whenever it's time to pump. Many airports now provide private lactation rooms equipped with comfortable seating and electrical outlets. If one isn't available, don't feel embarrassed about pumping in a quiet corner or using a nursing cover if it makes you feel more comfortable. Breastfeeding and pumping are protected in many public places. Cleaning pump parts while traveling doesn't have to be stressful. Wash parts with warm water and dish soap whenever you have access to a sink. If that's not possible, use pump cleaning wipes temporarily and perform a full wash as soon as practical. Allow parts to air dry completely before storing them in a clean container. If you're traveling for work without your baby, continue pumping on your normal schedule. Skipping sessions may decrease your milk supply and increase discomfort. Store each pumping session in clearly labeled containers with a date and time. If you'll be away for several days, consider shipping frozen milk home using insulated packaging if carrying it back isn't practical. Hydration, nutrition, and rest also matter during travel. Long travel days can be exhausting, so keep a reusable water bottle nearby, eat balanced snacks, and give yourself extra time whenever possible. Stress doesn't usually reduce milk production permanently, but it can temporarily slow your letdown reflex, so try to relax before pumping. Remember that every journey may come with unexpected challenges, but breastfeeding doesn't have to stop just because you're traveling. With preparation, the right equipment, and confidence in your routine, you can continue providing breast milk wherever life takes you. Thank you for spending a few minutes with Pump with Isabella. If this guide helped make your travel plans feel a little easier, consider sharing it with another breastfeeding parent who may be preparing for their next adventure. Safe travels, and happy pumping!